Hey Slack user, welcome to Techie Guys channel. Need to sign out of Slack without logging out from all device? No worries, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to sign out from Slack on your desktop in just a few clicks. Let's go. First, make sure your Slack app is open on your laptop or desktop. This works on Windows, Mac, and even Slack waves. Now, let's navigate to the sign out button. Click on your profile picture at bottom right corner. Scroll down and select sign out of your workspace. A pop-up will ask you to confirm. Click sign out. Boom, you are now logged out from this workspace without affecting other device. Need to log in back? Just reopen Slack and enter your credentials. Your message and setting will stay safe. And that's it. Now you know how to sign out of Slack without logging out everywhere. If this was helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more Slack tips, and comment below what's your go-to Slack productivity hack. And thank you for watching.